If you are looking for a hat organizer that you want to go over the door there, this is the product for you. This is the HapiRm hat rack hat organizer. As you can see, I've got plenty of hats on here already and they're working wonderfully. One really cool thing is that these two hooks here came in this one pack, and this pack came with the tools to assemble it. So a screwdriver, an Allen wrench, and then a crescent wrench in order to get everything assembled here, because they come in 3 pieces, and then the hook at the top there. And if you notice, these hooks have a bit of length, so you don't have to do one hat. I could probably fit all 5 of these hats on one of these and then continue stacking them. So I could stack a crazy amount of hats on these. And the cool part about it down here, so they actually have this pad right here that has a piece of plastic on it right now, but if you peel that plastic back, it also has adhesive. So when you open the door, this whole thing doesn't come off the door and then smack the door again. You can take that off and stick it on. This isn't where these are going to be leaving permanently, so I haven't done that yet, but that's what you can do. Again, these are incredible. There are 4 hooks on each of these guys, and they're working wonderfully for me. So if you're in the market for a hat organizer, man, I highly recommend this. This is awesome.